In this video, we are going to talk about 7 tips that can help you build a list of eager subscribers. Make your promotional materials interesting and fun. Try to use a little creativity, but not too over artsy. Build around what your product or service is about. For example, if you are selling car parts, put some pictures of what is new in the auto parts world. A new winger possibly that can fit any car and make it look like a Lamborghini. Try to research what people are looking for. This way, you stay one step ahead of them all the time, and you will be the bearer of new tidings. They will be eager to receive what you are sending them because they knew you always have fresh and new things to share with them. Write good articles that can be very informational but light at the same time. If your subscribers enjoy your articles, they will go to your site by clicking the links that you will be putting on your newsletter to read some more. You can provide articles that can connect to many people. Be diverse in your articles. Put something humorous, then put something informational, then put something that has both. Are you wary about this because you don't like writing? No problem. There are many professional and experienced article writers that can do the job for you for minimal fees. They know what they are doing and can provide the need that you have for your newsletters. The money that you pay for your articles are going to be met by the many signups and the potential profit from the sales that you will get. Create and send an ebook to your customers about anything that is related to your business or site. Use your knowledge and expertise in the field you have chosen to help other people who are similarly interested. Offer this ebook for free. You can write about anything informational and helpful to your subscribers. For example, you can do manuals and guides and so many things. This ebook could be used as a reference for many people. Share this ebook with everyone, even other sites. Just make sure that they don't change the links in the ebook that will lead people to your site. If you want, you can always get some people to write it for you, just like your articles. Your investment, once again, will be covered by the great marketing this will generate. Add e-coupons in your newsletters that will help them avail to special discounts. Put a control number in your e-coupon so that they can only be used once. When people get discounts that can be found in your newsletters, they will be eager to receive your newsletter in anticipation of what you're promoting next. If your subscribers can get benefits from your newsletters, they will be very eager to receive them. Just don't flood your mailing list with mails so that you don't annoy your subscribers.